What's up, everybody? I'm Keith. I'm here in Southeast Florida at Broward Motorsports, one of the largest motorsports dealerships in Southeast Florida. We're gonna go inside and check out all the cool toys, speak to some of the people who work there, so come on and follow me.
All right, where's the main door?
I don't know, it's Mark.
Well, gentlemen,
So should I start out here?
as soon as my glasses unfogged. So I'm going to try to do camera 2 at once, so we'll see.
Listen, let her hold your GoPro. I don't need this footage. I already got footage.
No, you go ahead. That way you've got it, and if you need it right away, I got this.
You sure?
Yeah. I play drums and bass at the same time, so okay. I just want to...
So we'll stop before the shade so your light doesn't change?
I think you could, right now, with the door, I would walk right to the door.
All right.
And let's give it a go.
Ready? Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Keith. I'm over here at Broward Motorsports, one of the largest motorsports dealerships in Southeast Florida. I'm gonna take you inside, show you everything what's going on, what they have for sale, bikes, BRPs, everything. So follow me, let's walk through and check it out. So as you can see, as outside, we have all the side-by-sides, all the off-roading vehicles here. Place is tremendously large. This is just the outside part. As we go in, you're going to see more and more bikes, more and more accessories. All of this here, it goes on and on and on. ATVs, side-by-sides. They even have some stuff for the little guys here. We got slingshots outside, we got Ryker outside. So let's go inside and see what they got. So check it out, we're inside now. We have all the cool toys here. Let me take off my glasses. So we got all the cool toys here. Got all the dirt bikes, all the street bikes, all the cruisers, everything you need when it comes to Sea-Doo, Ski-Doo, BRP products over there, BRP products over there, accessory wall. So we're gonna go check all of that out and speak to some people like I said before, all right? Cool. Let's go and do a quick walk around. So, welcome everybody to Broward Motorsports. I'm here at in Southeast Florida at one of the largest motorsports dealerships. We're gonna take a walk around and check out all the cool stuff they got here. Come on, follow me around. Come here, I wanna show you some of the other cool stuff they have. So, nice slingshot there for the 3-wheel fun. All the guys who love the 3-wheelers. Sea-Doo for all the boating. Of course, jet skis, all that cool stuff. So let's go over here because I see there's some Rykers and we'll go check those out, all right? So come on. So come in. Over here, check it out. Stand over here. Stand on this side because you're gonna get us both. All right, so they got all the cool Can Am stuff here, all the cool stuff, the Rykers, the whole wall. I'm gonna show you all the Can Am stuff they have going over here. Check it out. So I'm gonna bring somebody in and we're gonna talk a little bit about Broward Motorsports and all they have going on. What's going on, man? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is Fabian, General Manager of Broward Motorsports. Hey, man, what's up?
You know, it's another beautiful day.
It's always a beautiful...
Sunny and beautiful in South Florida.
That's exactly right. So tell me what you got going on in, because it's an inside, it's an outside, this place is huge. What you got going on?
Well, our location, the Hollywood location, or Davie location, whatever you want to call it, is the original Broward Motorsports location. We've been here more than 20 years. I haven't been here 20 years, but the store's been here more than 20 years. And we sell all kinds of power sports. We service all kinds of power sports. We sell the Can Am lines, both the Ryker and Spider units. We sell the Sea-Doos. We have side-by-sides and off-road vehicles for Can Am. We also sell Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki, both on-road and off-road vehicles. We sell Yamaha boats, and we've just picked up a new line, the Scarab jet boats. So we're pretty well stocked with most any kind of power sport you might need.
Yeah, no, this place is well stocked, man. I'll give you some footage around. This place goes on for miles. You're gonna see so much cool stuff. But they got my favorite toy here, the Ryker. So tell me, is this selling off the shelves? I mean, is this?
It's hard for us to keep these in stock.
Okay.
And we have a few of them. We get, it's funny because they come two to a crate when they come in.
Right.
So usually if one sells, we have another one on the floor, somebody sees it and boom, they go.
Right, right. Oh, what about like aftermarket stuff? Like what's the big thing like people buy?
Usually people are buying windshields for them, a second seat, floorboards, grips, protection pieces for the suspension. A lot of them, they do the multiple color, like the panels that we have over here with all the different colors on them. But primarily windshields, grips, floorboards, especially if you're adding another passenger or passenger seat to it.
Well, yeah, you need your passenger because you know you don't want to always be riding alone. How many employees you got here?
In this store, we have about 40.
Wow,
total.
yeah. It's a big operation. I see. It's a lot going on. A lot going on.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna do a little walk around and look at all the cool stuff. Get some footage, man. It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
you.
you.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for giving me your time.
Very welcome. My pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you. So, guys, we're gonna take a walk around. We're gonna check out all the cool stuff they have going on here, and just, you know, enjoy all the products. Maybe we'll jump in and out a couple of rides and check them out. All right. So, follow me for some more good stuff. Don't pull my shirt up. It's recording, it's recording. Right, it's counting down. Got it? I'm here with Eli from Broward Motorsports in the parts department, and he's gonna tell us all about the cool accessory that everybody's purchasing for their Can Am, Spiders, Rykers, and all that other cool stuff. Eli, thank you.
Thank you.
Tell me what's going on.
No, we're just moving a lot of Rykers and Spiders here around Motorsports. The big things that we are seeing on the bikes, of course, are the seats, the passenger seats and the backrest. You guys have a product like that. That's one of the big movers for people. We're also selling a good amount of covers. But one of the big things that we're working with are the footrest. We have individuals that come in with disabilities, and by replacing the footrest and hand levers, it's helped them be able to get back on the road and ride. So we've been doing a lot of that stuff. Other things we're selling, of course, is like sound equipment for those windshields. But those are the big items that are really moving on those bikes.
Oh, okay, cool. So, hey, that's what's up. Let y'all all know that, you know, when you come down to Broward Motorsports and you pick up your Spider, Ryker, Slingshot, they got all the cool accessories. You do the installs too?
We do the installs here.
Perfect. So you come down here, you get it hooked up, everything ready for you as soon as you're ready to ride out, all right? Thanks. Good?
Are you happy?
I'm happy.
All right, cool.